Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to edit a video in Canva. So whether it is for YouTube, social media or a presentation, this guide covers everything that you need to get started. So first of all, you need to come at canva.com and then log in into your account. After that, you will see a bunch of different tabs over here. So you need to click on videos and select the format of your video. So based on the social media on which you want to upload this video, you will have to select the respective format. Let's say you want to create a landscape video, so you can select this 16:9 format. After that, you will see this type of blank canvas in front of you. Over here, you need to hover over to the left hand section and click on upload. Now click on the upload files option. From here, you need to select that particular video which you want to add it. So this is the video, let's say that I want to add it. So you need to upload over here and wait for some time until it is uploading. Once it is uploaded successfully, you will have to click on it in order to add it into the timeline, just like this one. Then you will have to adjust it into the canvas. Now over here you will see a bunch of different options here. If you click on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen, so you can rearrange the clip over here. You can trim it by clicking on and dragging to the ends. You can split the clip using the scissor icon. If you want to add text into it, that is also very simple. Simply go to the text option and click on this add a text box option. Over here you can type any of your text and then you can change its color by clicking on this color option, just like this one. If you want to animate your text or your video, you can also do that. If you want to animate your video, simply select that and click on the animate option. Then you can just add any of the elements of your choice. If you want to animate your text, simply select your text, and from here from the given presets, you can select any of the animations as well. If you want to add any audio in your video, simply click on this audio option in the bottom, and from the given library you can select any of the background music, or you can even upload your own track here. For that, you need to just simply drag and drop that audio in the timeline, and you need to adjust its volume. So if you are done editing with your video, you will have to click on the share option in the top right hand corner, click on the download option, make sure that the format is MP4, and click on the download button over here. So this way you can edit your videos in Canva very easily. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.